the best time for me to do zikr Allah. Why should I miss it? I have time, nothing to worry about it, toward the holidays. As Majmu was there, so according to the Hadith, who started zikr Allah. Yeah. And this is Sunnah person. Doing zikr all the time, this is Sunnah. Faqih Azam, Hamari Ammi Jan, Aisha Siddiqa, they narrated a very beautiful hadith about it. She said, I suspect my prophet and your prophets, the best sunnah is that he used to zikr all the time. Yaskunna kulla hayani. He didn't select any time for that. He used that. So Naqshbandi ki shani hai, the Naqshbandi is Ray Naqshbandi, he follows sunnah. In all aspects of his life, and Naqshbandi, they definitely follow sunnah. Yeah, but if not following sunnah, any aspect of his life, then he is not Naqshbandi. No, not at all. Eating, drinking, sleeping, job, education, everything, all aspects of the life is following the sunnah. So there is, apart from the other peoples, we practice complete sunnah Prophet Sallallahu, what he did, we did. All ibadat. So this is Naqshbandi. That's Naqshbandi, mashallah. So if you engage yourself, dhikrullah, this is the sunnah, Nabi Karim Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. And it's lazim, important, compulsory for Naqshbandi that he follows the sunnah. So how, when you are free from job, anything, don't engage any other things. Do your zikr. What is zikr? Muraqabah. Yeah, sitting, doing muraqabah on the chair. Getting rest, everything for instead of watching this thing, newspaper, that, politician, what happened in Pakistan, this happened there, this happened there. Nothing, do worry about all these things. Worry करने की जरूरत क्या है इन चीज़ों की? जो हो रहा है अल्लाह कर रहा है फसल. कोई जा रहा है, कोई आ रहा है, खत्म हो रहा है, मिनिस्टर निकलेगा, वो नहीं ये ऐसी से वो ना है कितना, वो ना फला कितना. Why it's worry about all these things? It's not interesting. Is this thing asked in the grave from you about these people? How bad they are ruling the countries now? Nobody asks about this thing. Think yourself. Engage करें अपने आप को अल्लाह के जिक्र के अंदर. कैसे? नहीं सुन्नत क्या थी? अकेले हैं तो अल्लाह का जिक्र कर रहे हैं. मजमे में लगता मजमे शुरू हो गए तो अल्लाह का जिक्र करते हैं. ये सहाबा कराम करते थे. They never missed the shot of zikr. So that's as the Naqshbandi Guru all the time engage in zikr and practice completely sunnah. And this is sunnah to engage yourself all the time in the zikr. That's the best advice. And you see the benefit of that. If you do zikr like that,